Welcome to Helical Anchors Inc, your strongest helical pile manufacturer. Let us provide you the information on advantages of screw piles. 1. Screw piles are installed very easily. They don't require any special equipment for their installation. 2. They can be loaded immediately after installation. You don't have to wait for the concrete to settle to use it. 3. The installation of the screw piles produces little to no disturbance on the site. 4. Easy to install at remote locations or at sites with limited access. Screw piles are well suited to projects located in remote areas. 5. Generally, screw piles are installed vertically, but they can be installed at any orientation. 6. One of the unique features of the screw piles is that we can increase the load capacity at any time by making just slight changes. Would you like to know more on how we can save your money and increase strength of your foundations? Contact Helical Anchors Inc today. Or call us on 763-201-6552. Visit our website to know more: www.helicalanchorsinc.com.